I just live each day for what it is. And these are not factors that I necessarily dwell on. And this has been my answer for years to come. I think even when I was asked the same at 21, it was pretty much the same. I think I'm very, very thankful to God for such a blessed life. I mean, you all have met me since what, 18, 19? From 19 till today, 41, to still be interacting with you all with this gusto, to be living a blessed life of family, work, friends, and growing experiences. That in itself speaks volumes, and I'm thankful to God. Last year I did the big birthday party. Before that, for the first birthday party for Aradhya, we kept it intimate. I was very clear that it's just with the family and with the grandparents, because when a baby turns 1, I mean, it's, I think, wonderful to just recognize your relationships and spend time. Last year it was a second birthday party, and it was huge. I invited everybody that we know and all their kids. And I joked, I said that was like her first wedding with the world, and it was really, really big. This time I'm going to keep it a mix of both, not necessarily too ostentatious, but definitely very, very intimate and a lot of fun. So I'm certainly planning her birthday on a daily basis. Yesterday at one point when there was this huge bouquet of flowers, but she responds more excitedly to the bigger bouquet of balloons that came. So she was like, and whose birthday? And whose birthday? I was like, you tell me. So for a second, she looked at the balloon. She said, balloons for me, but it's Mama's birthday. So it was like really adorable. She recognized it. It's really sweet. Abhishek has received such appreciation. I can't thank you all enough for all the love and appreciation coming his way. As his wife, I'm obviously very, very pleased for him, and very, very happy. Last night, all my friends and family were home, and they brought in my birthday, and it was a very long night, and I haven't slept at all because early morning Aradhya wakes up, and my schedule is on as every day, and so obviously I thought it would be more lovely to meet you all nicely, relaxedly in the evening, and also get the opportunity to thank everybody for all the wishes and love that's been pouring in all day. Well, obviously I've spent my day with my family, with my loved ones, with my daughter, and my husband. Abhishek is home after really long. You all have been meeting him every day, way more often than me, with all the publicity and promotion of his movie. So it's been nice. It's been a nice family day. घर वालों के साथ वक्त बिताना मेरे लिए, परिवार के साथ, मेरे करीबी दोस्तों के साथ, एक ही दिन है कि जो भी जितने फ़ोन कॉल्स मैं ले पाऊँ, सभी से बात कर पाऊँ, सभी की शुभकामनाओं को रिसीव कर पाऊँ, ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही मायना रखता है। और हर साल आप लोग मुझसे यही सुनते हैं, क्योंकि यही मेरी हकीकत है। Gifts and things are not something that we ever talk about, and that has never defined our relationship either. So that's something you have heard every year, and that remains consistent in our relationship. But at the risk of sounding like I'm stuck on a groove, but I think every little aspect of Aradhya's surprises is a pleasure for me, and I'm always going to be blissed out on that, I think, every time you'll talk to me. I never go to temples and pray or ask for anything of God, and I've never been one to sit and work up wishes. I generously mean well for everybody, so those are the wishes I'd say I pray for everyone's happiness, but I've never been one to ask for anything. मैं अपने आपके दर्शकों को और मेरे शुभचिंतकों को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं दिल से आप सभी को धन्यवाद देती हूँ आपकी शुभकामनाओं के लिए, आशीर्वाद के लिए, और इतना सारा प्यार के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.